And here's what motivates bad behavior. An inner hurt gets tapped. Somebody does something to me. They say something to me. It makes me feel less than, separate from, unlovable, unworthy, inferior, unattractive. And I see myself as less than and separate from. If my brain is unintegrated and unregulated, I'm going to be angry. Because I use anger to protect myself from further damage. And what is the benefit to me? It numbs the pain, it gives me energy, and it puts you on the defensive. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to project the damage on you. And I'm going to engage in destructive behavior. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to do anything for me or to you to get away from the hurt. That's what motivates bad behavior. And we all have trigger points. We're going to talk about that later. Kids and adults, we all have them. But it's when an inner hurt gets tapped. It's like having a thorn under your skin. How many of you have ever had a thorn under your skin or a splinter? It just festers there, and you can get by with it as long as it doesn't get touched. And it gets touched, and it's just so painful, it erupts. That's what an inner hurt does.